Here's a 2017 Volkswagen Passat. Wanted, serious drivers with families. You supply the family, the Passat supplies the fun. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, digital instrument gauges, push-button start, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com highlights its high-quality cabin, refined and quiet ride, and top safety scores. Volkswagen, where safety and performance come standard. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Volkswagen of Inver Grove, creating customers for life. We are conveniently located at 1325 50th Street East in Inver-Grove-Heights, Minnesota, near Highway 494 and Robert Street, across from Best Buy.